Hello everyone, Coach Chris here for one more backyard training session. This will be the warm-up. So warm-up, we're going to be doing some foot skills. So we're just going to start here, tapping the ball between our legs. Maybe you can do that for 30 seconds. And then we're going to right away move to the three-way pull and push. All right, so to the left, to the middle, to the right. And then we're going to do that for another 30 seconds. And then we switch. Now I'm doing with my right. Still the same thing, but with my right. And then the last one, it will be the Ronaldo scissors. Remember that? So regular scissor, touch, stop, come back. Scissor, touch, stop, come back. Scissor, touch, stop, come back. All right, so that will be it. And then, there you go. And then, after all that, so I encourage you guys to do some 2-minute juggling. All right, both feet, using both feet. If you cannot keep the ball up in the air this much, maybe you can have a bounce in between every touch. So you touch, the ball bounce, you touch, the ball bounce, but make sure you use always both feet. All right, how long can you keep this ball in the air? All right, for 2 minutes. Working, kind of progressing with a little, what Coach Austin did the last backyard training session. He was moving with the ball. So today we're going to be working a little bit on movement as well, but off the ball. And I think it's very important for us as players to move off the ball, because most of the time we won't have the ball. And if we don't move at all, we will have little touches on the ball. And I don't know about you, but when I'm playing, I love to have touches on the ball. So I will be moving as much as I can so I can have the ball on my feet. So that's what we're going to be working a little bit today. All right, so here, you can have pretty much socks or rocks or shoes. I have the cones. I just happen to have the cones here, and I'm gonna show what we're gonna be doing. So me and Coach Juani, we're just gonna be passing each other here, and then she's gonna make the call. So the call that she's gonna make, as you can see, there are 2 colors over there. But if you don't have colors, it's fine. You can just say right or left. But as we have colors over there, green and red. So she's gonna make the call, and I have to go to the opposite color. So I'm not gonna go, if she says red, not red, green. All right, so we're gonna be here, and we'll see what Coach Juan is gonna make the call.
Green.
Green, so where's green? There's green. So I have to open up. I open up kind of like a support to receive the ball. Once I open up, you also have to check, because I need to see if there's a defender coming or not. If I receive this ball, I need to know if I can turn or not. All right, so she said green, I came to the red, I check, and then I get back in. And then we just get back playing again. So we'll see, let's make another call. Which one?
Red.
Red, all right, boom. Check, and come back. And then we keep going.
Red.
Red, check, come back, and then keep going. All right, so that will be the first one. Just make sure, all right? We have to know, I expect you guys to know by the first 10 seconds the colors that you have over there. All right, so it's not just like red, where is red? No, I have to know that that is red or left or right, and then you just go to the opposite. All right, so the first one, we just open up, check, and come back. The second one, it's pretty much the same thing here, but when we open up, we check, we receive the ball, and then we play the ball back, and then we get back in the square. All right, so red and green.
Green.
Back, and then give it back, and then we go in. So you can do this with 1 touch, or you can do 2 touches, whatever you want. Green. Open up, receive it back. You see that I'm constantly here, reminding myself of the colors, checking. What'd you say? Red. So I check, I come back, receive it, and back. All right, so that will be our second. The third one, it's kind of a combination of both. All right, so we will open up, we will pass the ball back, and then it's kind of a through ball. Maybe we won't have a perfect through ball here because of the space we have, but that will be the concept. All right, so we're gonna be playing here. Coach Juan is gonna make the call.
Green.
Green, so I open up, check, receive it, back, and then it's a through ball to me, Coach Juan. And then I just go around the other cone, and then come back. All right, so let's try it.
Green.
Green, so open up, look over your shoulders, through ball, and then go to the other cone. All right, so for this particular exercise, So the cones, actually all the exercise, these two first cones here will represent defenders, all right? So don't be lazy, move away of the defender, right? Because if I move here on the game, this guy here is gonna win the ball every time, all right? So make sure when you move away. Boom. And then this last one is a through ball. I cannot be offside, so this is a defender. So once I open up, no. Let's get back, which one?
All right.
There you go. I open up, I pass. Now maybe even check in a little bit so I'm not offside. And then the passes come. All right? Sounds good. So we're gonna try to do this one, the last one more time, and then we're gonna move to the net.
Red.
Red, all right, so red here. Now look, check. Be ready for receiving the ball, and then you go around the other cone. And then we come back, all right? So that will be this exercise. And then you can implement the exercise if you want by always doing, if you want to do maybe one set of this one just to get the hang of it, the next time you do it, you can always add a combination. I'm gonna show that as well. Or you can always do a dribbling around the cones. I'm also gonna show that if you wanna do a more like advanced stuff or more like fitness, work on your endurance, all right? So the first one, the level a little hard, it's not too hard, but it's more work. So the first one will be the same. So I'm just passing here. Coach Juan is gonna make the call.
Red.
Red. Oops, that's the red, my bad. So I just go here, I get back in, receive the ball, and then I go to the opposite cone. All right, so let's try to make it better this time, Coach Christy.
Red.
Red. Oh, I thought this was the, my bad. Let's go, Coach Christy.
Red.
Red. Ah, there you go. Check in. Now look. I go to the red. All right. The second one, same thing. Boom. We're passing here. Oh, I forgot the combination. All right. So we're gonna make sure we're doing
Red.
red. All right. So that's red. So I go here, receive the ball, back, give me the ball, push one, and then we go to the opposite cone. All right. Sounds good. And then the last one is the same thing because you are already going to the opposite cone. All right. So hope that makes sense. And get a lot of touches on the ball. Make sure you are working hard. All right, make sure you are open up to get away from the defender. Make sure you are checking over your shoulder, getting back, firm passes. So and always moving. All right, you will just need a wall and a soccer ball, and you will be able to do it. All right, Brazil is a lot of noise, as you can hear it. All right, so the first exercise, this is how you should be doing. All right, so you will be passing the ball on the wall, and then once you have to open up, so you just stop the ball, and then you open up, look over your shoulder, and then you get back and start passing. And then you do the same thing on the other side. So stop the ball, open up, look, and then you come back and start passing. So that will be the first one. The second one, we also open up, and then we have a little combination. So this one, it's kind of a little tricky because in order for us to be able to do the combination, we have to pass the ball in a little angle. So back and forth in angle. So I will make that movement, all right? So the pass should be like this. Instead of passing straight forward here, I'll have to pass an angle there. Then I will move, and then in angle again, and then I come back. All right, so combining the two exercises will be this. So we pass, I'm gonna go that way. So pass here, look over your shoulder, pass here, look over your shoulder, and then you go back. Now I'm gonna go to the other side. So I'm passing here to that side, so pass, look, and then you're back. So that will be the second one. On the third one, it's pretty much the same thing, but then at the end, instead of you just start passing right away, you will get the ball and then you will dribble away, and then you come back. All right, so it will be like this. So we pass, we're gonna go that way. So here, and then you dribble the ball a little bit, and then you come back. And then if I'm gonna do to the other side, same thing. So we pass the ball. So that way, look over, look, and then you dribble the ball a little bit, and then you come back, and then you start passing. I'll miss you guys. Love you.
Love you. Thank you.
And see you soon.